Alright guys, what's up? Got something special for you today. The Ducky 1-2 Mini. This little guy's been making waves, and I finally got my hands on one to see what all the fuss is about. First impressions? Compact, sleek, and seriously solid. We're talking a 60% keyboard here, so it's perfect for those who value desk space or want a super portable option. Now, the big deal with Ducky is their commitment to quality, and this keyboard is no exception. It's rocking genuine Cherry MX brown switches, which is a huge plus for me. You get that satisfying tactile bump with every key press, so you know exactly when you've actuated. Perfect for typing and gaming. You get that responsiveness without the clicky clack of the blues. The keycaps are also top-notch. Double-shot PBT and ABS plastic. Durable, comfortable, and the legends won't fade. Trust me, these keycaps feel fantastic. But let's talk about the RGB. This thing is a light show, fully customizable, and you can do it all right on the keyboard itself. No software needed, although they do offer software now if you prefer that route. You can set up zones, blend colors, create custom effects. It's seriously impressive. The RGB shines through beautifully on the double-shot keycaps, and it just adds that extra level of personalization. The build quality is rock solid. This thing feels premium, it has a nice weight to it, and it doesn't slide around on your desk. The USB cable is detachable, which is always a plus for portability. And even though it's a 60% keyboard, Ducky has cleverly implemented secondary functions, so you don't lose any functionality. It takes a little getting used to, but once you learn the shortcuts, it's a breeze. So, who is this keyboard for? Well, if you're a gamer looking for a responsive, compact keyboard with amazing RGB, this is definitely worth checking out. It's also great for programmers or anyone who types a lot and wants a comfortable, high-quality typing experience. The compact size is perfect for travel or if you just have limited desk space. Is it perfect? Well, the 60% layout might not be for everyone. If you rely heavily on the function keys or number pad, you might find it a bit limiting. But honestly, for me, the pros far outweigh the cons. The Ducky 1-2 Mini is a fantastic keyboard. It's well built, it performs like a champ, and it looks amazing. Definitely one of the best 60% keyboards out there. So, if you're in the market for a new keyboard, definitely give this one a look. You won't be disappointed.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.